We are pleased to welcome you to EDISLA. Many newcomers to astronomy get frustrated and give up after hitting dead ends. Beginners shouldn't have to struggle with astronomy. This video will give you 5 tips for mastering the hobby of astronomy. The first tip is to be prepared. This is a challenging hobby. There is no place for faint hearts in astronomy. Humility, patience, and determination are required along the way. It's like the saying, no pain, no gain. The more effort you put into something, the more rewarding the result can be. The second tip is to start with your naked eyes. Knowledge always takes precedence over equipment. There is no point in investing in equipment unless you want to understand it better. The same applies to astronomy as well. Go out and look at the night sky, find larger objects like the moon, then locate planets, then find brighter objects. Using only your eyes, you can accomplish all of this. The third tip is to use free resource. After observation, you can research the observations online and try to gather more information. You can do all of this by simply browsing the internet. With your practical observation and online resources, try to understand how the sky works. The fourth tip is to find others who are interested in this hobby. People who take this up as a hobby or organizations like EDISLA can provide advice and resources. By doing so, you will be better able to solve many of your problems. The fifth tip is to invest in an instrument. It's time to find an instrument that will help you observe. For beginners, EDISLA recommends investing in a good pair of binoculars. With them, you'll learn how an optical instrument behaves differently from naked eyes when observing the sky. We have a video for that separately on our channel. It is only then that you are ready to use a telescope. You can watch our video on choosing a telescope here if you are interested. Start your observation with your eyes, use free resources, find like-minded groups, and then invest in an instrument. Having reached this point, you can rise above even the sky. EDISLA wishes you a wonderful hobby in astronomy. Subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media, and visit our website for any advice on buying products.